Hey guys, here is the second look for the Naughty by Nature collaboration I got going on with my sis here on the YT, Tamekans. So we chose to do flowers this time, and I chose the Purple Pansy and she chose the beautiful purple and orange iris. Don't forget to check out our first collaboration video, Sandy Beaches and Midnight Sky. And if you want to see how your girl achieved this beautiful look, then please stay tuned. First and foremost, you want to prime your lid. I'm using this Essence I Love Stage primer. I am loving this primer right now. I'm just going to place it on the lid and blend it out with my finger. Now I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and I'm just going to place it on the waterline to make my eyes look bigger and brighter. The first base I'm going to use is this NYX eyeshadow base, and this one is white. I'm going to place this on one half of the eyelid and blend it out with my finger. The second base I'm going to use is this MAC paint stick, and this one is in rich purple, and I'm going to place this on the outer V on the rest of the eyelid. A transition color, I'm using MAC Uninterrupted, and I absolutely love this color. I'm just going to place it in my crease with a large fluffy brush. The first color I'm going to use for this look is called Snow, and this is a pigment from NVI Cosmetics. Don't forget to check out the website. I'm going to place this on one half of the eyelid. Second color I'm going to use is called Iris, and this is another pigment from NVI Cosmetics, and I'm just going to place this on the rest of the eyelid next to the white. I'm also going to overlap the white just to blend the colors together. So now I'm going to go in with my 28 Neon palette that I purchased off of eBay, and I'm going to take this dark purple and I'm going to place it on my outer V as well as blending it up into the crease with a large fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go on with this Sugar Peel palette, and I'm going to take Poison Plum, which is my favorite purple, and I'm going to place this on top of the dark purple that we took from the 28 Neon palette. I'm going to take Sugar Peel's Dolly Pop, and I'm going to place this on top of the purple into my crease, and this is to help blend out the dark purple, which is Poison Plum. going in with this Wet n Wild Center Stage Collection palette, and this is the Rose Champagne Glow. I really like this as a highlight color, and I'm just going to place this under my brow bone with a large fluffy brush. So now to add definition, I'm going into this MVI Cosmetic Pigment, and this one is Lemon Pie, and I'm going to place this into the inner tear duct as well as the lower lash line. I'm taking Poison Plum again, and I'm also going to place this on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go back in with Dolly Pop, and I'm going to place that under Poison Plum on the lower lash line. And now for the lips, I'm going to take this MAC Chromographic pencil, and this one is in Rich Purple. I'm just going to trace my lips and outline them and prep them for the lipstick that I'm going to apply next. The lipstick that I'm going to use today is MAC Strong Woman, and this is from the brand new Strength collection. I'm just going to place it on my lips, and I'm going to place it on top of the liner and blend it together. So now I'm going to take a clear gloss, any clear gloss will do, and I'm just going to place it on top of the lips just to give it a little shine and glamour. Now for the blush, I'm going to use my La Femme palette, and I'm using Purple Passion, and I'm just going to place this on my large blush brush from xoxo, and I'm just going to place it on apples of my cheeks and blend it upwards towards the temples. So that is the completed look, ladies. I hope you are enjoying this collaboration series that I got going on with Tamekans. Don't forget to check out MVI Cosmetic website and purchase your pigments today. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.